Hey, Ken, I understand you've been conducting some home inspector workshops for the last 12 years throughout different locations around the country. So what inspired you this year to do an online workshop?
That is a good question. I get asked that a lot. Well, you know what, Steve? Here's just a brief overview on this. When Savvy Inspector workshops are over, we'll get notes that said, "Wow, I wish I could have attended." It really is. Everybody rants and raves about it and gives us all kind of good reviews. And a lot of home inspectors say I'm a one-man shop or whatever, and I just can't leave my business. So I went over there and looked at the costs. And I'll scroll down here a minute real quick and on the website. And what happens is if you came to our event last year in Arlington, Texas, we had a live event for 3 days. The ticket price was $597. If you got transportation, we flew from Atlanta, and our staff, I flew them out there too. Tickets were around $400 a piece. The hotel is 4 nights at $129 a night. Okay, food and beverage, $300 I estimated, Steve. And I'm gonna tell you, I think a few more of those home inspectors ate and drank a little bit more than that, don't you think?
I think so. Yeah, I
That
was there.
$300 was pretty conservative.
They enjoyed your dinner ticket very well.
Exactly. So let's say that you come for a 3-day event like that, you lose 8 inspections, and if your inspection fee is just $350 an inspection, that's $2,800. Okay, so look at the cost, $4,563 plus miscellaneous expense. Now, if you brought your spouse or your marketing manager or your office manager, it was even higher.
Right.
So we're not going to stop doing live events. Please know that. But we want to make this information, this workshop, affordable for everybody. Okay, so that's really why we've done it. The tickets are $297, less than the price of one home inspection, and you get all of this great information on how to go direct to the public for business. And we just talked about going directly to the public and some of the benefits on a previous video that you and I did together.
Great.